students, welcome to Mahadeva International School, Hoskote. Today we are learning computer science subject in our 4th standard. In computer science, we have taken for unit A, that is concept of file and folder. You have already learned computer science in your previous classes, right? What do you mean by computer and what are the fields that computers are used? Before getting into the concept, means files and folders, let us know what are the different fields where computers are used. Computers are used in schools, colleges, hospitals, banks, right? What we are doing with the help of computers here? We are storing the data, right? Means in school all the students' details will be stored in bank, account holders' details, they are stored in the computers. Why we store these details? For future purpose, right? How we can store this data in computer? Here our files and folder concepts comes, right? A file is nothing but it is a collection of data in the form of text, pictures, music or videos. Our textbook is a best example of file. What our book will have? It will have a text, it will have a images also, right? Means it will have a meaningful information and that is stored. In computer we store the data, means text or pictures, music or videos. We said, right? This is nothing but a file. A file is a collection of data in the form of text, pictures, music or videos. Now, our file also will have a name. We have a book. If you take a book will also have a name, right? Which standard book it is and which subject book it is and who is the author. Why? We can, if we have a number of books, if the name of the book is written on top of that, it is easy for us to identify, right? In computer also, we are storing more amount of data. If we are saving the data in a file and we are not giving any file name, if you want to open that file again, how we can open? It is difficult, right? If we have named a file, like we are also having names, why? We can identify easily, right? Students, you are also having your names. If I call your name, you will respond, right? In the same way, computer also will have a file name, means the data whatever we save will be in the form of a file and file will have a name and it has a location, means where we are storing the file in a computer. Like we have an address, right, where we are staying. In the same way our file in computer is having a location. And the size of the file means how much data it contains. The size of the file specifies the amount of data in it and it also has the date when it is created, so that we can easily identify the file along with the file name, location, size and date when it is created. We can easily identify the files. What is a file? A file is a collection of data in the form of text, pictures, music or videos. Now let us see the example of a file. As I said, file is a collection of data that are information that can be text, image, video or music, right? Here I have a file which contains text information. See, this file I am using to store the student contact details. This is Word document file and our file is having a name. The name of the file is student details and it is storing the data of students. Here we are having student names and this is the contact numbers of the student. Understood? This is what a file means. It is a collection of information that can be in the form of text, image, video or music. This is the text file, means we are storing the text information, and here we can see the name of the file. File will have a name. Now our file will have a name of a file, size of the file, and what is the location where it is saved and the date when we created. See here, this is the student details file, right? And it is what type of a file? It is Microsoft Word document. You can see doc. This is the extension. File name, we have student details, and this is the extension doc. This is the extension, means it specifies which type of file it is. It is Word document file, and we have location where it is saved. It is saved on the desktop. And what is the size of the file? That is 12.3 KB. This is the size of the file, and we can also see when the file is created. Understood file concept? What is a file? It is a collection of information or data that can be in the form of text, videos or music or images. And our file will have a file name with its extension, that is .doc for Microsoft Word document file, and it has a location, size and date when it is created. Now we can see what are icons. Icons are nothing but images of files, folder or any program. See here, this is our file and this is what? It is a folder, and this is a program image. It is an image of file, folder or any programs. This is the image of the Word document file, and this is the image of the PowerPoint presentation file, and this is the image of the text document file. And we can
now we will take our textbook of tier 1 and open your textbook page number 4. What you have? You have first unit, that is unit A, and concept of file and folders, and that is your module 1. What we learned now? What is file? File is a collection of data in the form of text, pictures, music or videos. Like I said, textbook is an example of a file which contains the text information and also pictures you have, but it doesn't contain any music or videos. Any files that you save in your mobile, with that is songs or any movies, they are the example of a file with music and videos. Each file has a name, a size, a location and the date of its creation that we saw in our PPT. Now they have asked us to locate the type of the files. They have given here, this is the Word document file. What is this? This is, I showed in a PPT, right? It is what? It is a MS PowerPoint presentation file, and this is rich text document file. And what is this? This almost everybody knows this, right? What it is? It is our MS Paint file. Name the icons they given. If they ask you the show you the icons and they ask what type of file it is, you must be able to tell that it is a type of MS Word file, MS PowerPoint file, rich text document file and MS Paint file. This also I have explained a file name, like we have a name and we have address for identification. Our files also has two parts, that are name and an extension. Our extension shows which type of file it is. For example, our text Microsoft Word file, it had an extension of .doc, right? That I have already shown. But it has it has a file name. What is the name of the file here? computer. And what is the extension? Because it is a Word document file, its extension is .doc, and we have a dot operator between these two. We don't have any spaces between the file name and the extensions, and they have given here a file name can have up to 25 characters including spaces. Means whatever the computer, I have given the name here, how many letters it has? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 letters. Like this, it can have up to how many? 255 letters our file name can have, including spaces. We can also give a spaces. What is an icon? An icon is the image of a file, folder, or a program that appears on the computer screen. We saw right on the desktop we have many icons. What icon? It is the image of a file or a folder or any program. If we have these images also, they are also icons because they are the images of the files, right? Hence they are also called as icons. What is an icon? Icon is the image of a file, folder, or a program that appears on the computer. What we learned today? Concept of file. File is nothing but it is a collection of data in the form of text, pictures, music, or videos, like our textbook, our magazines, our newspapers. They are also will have a collection of text, right? And pictures also they have. Yes. And what we learnt, like we have our name, address, and when we born we have a date of birth and all, right? In the same way our files also will have a name for identification. If we give a name, we can easily open the file next time when we want to see the content of the file. And hence naming a file is very important. And location means it specifies which memory space the file has been saved. And size shows the size of the file shows how much of data does this file contains, and the date represents when the file has been created. Understood? Okay, go through your textbook and do the worksheets that what we will send you. Thank you, children.